G'day guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel where we update you on the market every single day. So if you like money and you like crypto, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Now let's break down the charts. Now, as I've been talking about for the last 3 weeks, we've still been trading inside this range here, in between my two blue boxes. Now guys, remember you want to think about price as trading in ranges. So as long as we're still trading within this sideways range, you want to short at the tops and you want to long at the bottom. And what you want to do for your risk management when you get into these longs is you want to set your stop loss just below this box. For example, I've actually just entered into a trade down here with my stop loss set just below, so that if we do then break down, it will then stop me out of that trade. Now, if we actually zoom in, one thing that I've noticed on the charts, but I found quite interesting, is we've actually come down and touched this golden pocket exactly as you can see. Now, the golden pocket is the area price likes to retrace to before making another leg up. So it wouldn't actually surprise me if we do end up making our way back to the top of our range here, which we have been trading in. Now, we are finding a little bit of resistance at my orange line here. We did get a small rejection, but we have come back up. So I'm actually expecting us to break through this line in a second and make our way towards my blue box, where I'll be looking to take profits up here. Now, if we actually pull our volume profile for this trading range, so what we can actually see is we actually found support exactly on the value area low of our volume profile. So we bounced off that low, and based on the rules of volume profile, when you bounce off the lows, you're likely to then come up to the point of control, which is this middle line here, and then back up to the highs of the volume profile, which is this blue line here, which lines up perfectly in my box. So that's what I'm looking at in the short term. And if we actually pull up our momentum waves, you can actually see that we are actually printing a green dot on our momentum waves, indicating that we are likely to get that move up to the upside on our momentum wave, and for price to also follow to the upside as well. Now, I want to zoom out and I'll look at some higher term timeframes at the moment. So let's go to the daily. Now, let me just get rid of this volume profile. So what am I actually looking at the daily when I look at it on a higher time frame? Well, the first thing that sticks out is we actually have a key level of descending resistance along here. Now, let me just see if I can draw that. So there we go. So we do have a very key level. So if we do actually start to make our way up to our box, so this level right here is going to be a strong resistance. So that's where I'm going to be looking to take profits and then switch into a short. But one thing I've actually noticed looking at this chart, so we have been holding this bottom resistance very well. We've had 3 different attempts, or actually 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4 attempts to break through the lower high prices. The price has actually rebounded straight back up, which suggests a lot of strength in the market. So it wouldn't actually surprise me if in the macro we do actually get a bigger move to the upside. So it wouldn't surprise me if we do something like this, get a rejection there, retest that into support, and then break through to the upside. So I would not be surprised seeing something like that happen at all. And we can actually see our momentum wave is actually quite overbought at the moment on the daily chart. So there's definitely a lot of room for that to swing to the upside and give us that move up to this blue box here, which is about at 28,300. So that's what I'm probably looking for us to target at the moment. And if we do make it up to that box, that's when I'll be looking for bearish signals to then potentially short that move back down. However, if we do actually get rejected at this point and we can't hold this box as support, if we were to move to the downside, the level I would be targeting is my blue box at about 23,500 down here. So we have my 2 levels that I will be targeting. in the macro if we do come down, and you can expect a bounce at both of this level, whichever way it goes. Now remember guys, as traders, we can make money either way, whether it goes up or down. We long the bottoms and we short the tops. So it really doesn't bother me which way they go, because I'm going to make money either way. Even if we do get rejected here and we come back down, I'm going to have buy orders ready down here for that bounce to the upside. So that's what I'm looking at in the markets. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.